Yeah, I've been on YouTube for 10 years, riding all kinds of different motorcycles, having a good time out here, you know, especially on this YZ450FX custom supermoto. Amazing. I tell you guys, it's something about a gas motor that you cannot replicate, and you can't really replace it because it just feels so good. I can't even express how I feel when I'm ripping the throttle on any of my gas motorcycles. But you know what? I'm gonna tell you what will make me quit motorcycles.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
By the way, I did a full build series on this 2019 YZ450FX custom supermoto. I'll include the link in the description and comment section of this video. But I'll tell you guys, it doesn't matter what motorcycle you ride. You got to make sure you're wearing the gear to stay safe, and you want to get some awesome gear like mine. I have links to it, like my ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an auto tint shield, my motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep me safe. I never leave home without it. Shorty gloves, links all in the description and comment section of this video. You know, I really appreciate my time out here on these gas motorcycles, man. I tell you, I know some of you guys will swear by the electric motorcycle, but I'll tell you, it's nothing like the vibration and the feel you get on these gas motorcycles, man. But the sad thing is that this will probably be coming to an end here, man. Unfortunately, they're so focused on emissions, which I think motorcycle emissions, motorcycles should be exempt, because they make up a very small population out of all the vehicles in the world. Obviously, cars and trucks are the #1, you know, type of vehicle out here in the millions. You know what I'm saying? So I don't understand why they focus on motorcycles at all. It's BS, man. And but we're all gonna be forced. The sad truth is, we're probably gonna all be forced to ride an electric motorcycle. I tell you guys, you can still bust wheelies like this, but you ain't gonna get that visceral vibration feel that you get on these gas motorcycles. Whoa! Oh man! Oh! I know what you're thinking, CycleCruza. You bought that X Black Edition electric dirt bike motorcycle, and you raved about how cool and fun this thing is, and now you're talking bad about electric motorcycles. You're a hypocrite, man. Listen here, guys. You cannot replace a combustion engine motorcycle with electric motorcycle. I tell you, I had fun on this thing, don't get me wrong, even though this kind of looks like an e-bike, and that's the beauty of it. That's the reason why I got it, because I don't have to get it plated, I don't have to get it insured. I can ride it on my trails, ride it on the street, even though it only does 47 miles an hour. But it's fun. It's a novelty, man. Don't get it twisted. If I had to get rid of my YZ and I had to get an electric motorcycle, street bike motorcycle, by law, I tell you, I would probably quit riding, guys. Yeah, I'd be riding the e-bikes and, you know, messing around on the trails with my little Suron or another electric dirt bike or something. It's fun, don't get me wrong. But even then, off-road, it's fun, you know, with a combustion engine dirt bike, man. That's something you want as a third or fourth option. It's like a toy here, man. This is not your serious regular bike that you're going to be riding all the time. Let's keep it real. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Yeah, baby. Feels good when you're busting wheelies out here. And it feels good when you feel that little vibration up in the engine. And this bike doesn't have a ton of vibration, you know, like some of the dirt bikes out there. This is actually doesn't put your hand to sleep or anything, surprisingly. It's got rubber mounts in the bars and everything. You don't feel a lot of vibration in the pegs and stuff, but you feel enough little vibration in the seat, everything, that it's a feeling that you can't replicate with an electric bike. You just can't. You know what I'm saying? And so I can't see myself, you know, the day that we have to switch over to only electric motorcycles, by law, saying like 5 years or something. I can't. I think I don't know, man. I might have to just go to off-road riding on it. Yeah, baby, we out here. Yeah, look at that hooligan. We out here acting a fool out here. We don't need his kind around here. Acting a fool out here in our neighborhood, bringing our values of our homes down. That ain't right. Take your hooligan self up on out of here. CycleCruza. Go ride somewhere else. You are not welcome around these parts. Yeah. We out here, baby. We out here. I ain't supposed to be doing this either, man, but you know me, I gotta be a little hooligan out here. You know what I'm saying? I tell you guys, one thing about a supermoto, it has regressed my maturity. I'm immature now, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm more immature than ever. You think, and if you look early on my channel, I'm like more, even though I'm acting a fool back then too. But on this, boy, I'm a straight up fool out here. Out here trespassing, riding on grass. Now, I don't trespass that much, man. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Yeah, baby. We out here. Yeah. Yeah, we out here in the burbs, baby. Ain't nobody around. We can bust all kinds of willies out here. Have a good old time out here. Yeah, I'm telling you, supermoto life is the life. The only life, baby. Yeah. Woo! You don't even have to go fast on this to enjoy a supermoto, man. That's why I highly recommend supermotos, because it's got all that low-end grunt torque, man. That's why people love Harley Davidsons. Yeah, baby, we out here. We out here. Yeah. We out here on my supermoto, baby. Having a good old time out here. Yeah. Yeah, baby. I hope that dog don't attack me, man. Dogs don't like motorcycles. I'll tell you that. I had a dog, he hated motorcycle. Before I rode a motorcycle, he hated motorcycles and bicycles because these kids used to antagonize him, man, throw rocks at him and stuff. And every time he saw a motorcycle or bicycle, boy, he'd want to attack him, man. I had a little miniature pincher back in the day named Scooby-Doo. Yeah. Yeah, baby. But anyways, guys, like I said, hit thumbs up. It really helps my channel. I really appreciate it when you do. Don't forget to subscribe to my All Over Motorcycle channel. Make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, which all my van stuff. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.